All right. So this is the ICT slash SMC software. It's a very great software that helps you with your analysis. This is this is the you see. I hope you can. This is just follow through my cursor. You see, it's disabled now. But I'll just go through the profiles of all of them. Now you have OB, you have OBBOS, you have MS Plus, market structure shift, you have Fibonacci off, you have OBPOI, you have FVG, FVGPOI, volume imbalance, gaps off, equal highs and lows, liquidity off. And in this liquidity off, you also have liquidity chart, you have a liquidity side, you have daily and weekly open. You can see I just on it, you can see it, it just came up. You have New York day start also. I've turned it off. Then you have sections, you have kill zones, you have silver bullets. You have both zones, key zones and silver bullets. Now this section is off. When I turn it on like this, you're not seeing anything because here is disabled. So let me enable it. Now you're seeing Asian, you're seeing London. Now this when you turn on the section, it shows you Asian sections, London sections, and you can see New York section is just started. This is Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin chart. Now, if you go to your left hand side, you can see uh, London section here. You can see New York section here also. So it's turned on. Then when you go to key zones, you see key zones also. You see silver bullet also. You see both zones. I think ICT guys will know what silver bullet is. And you see price of price OB, price POI, price imbalance. This is off because OBs are off. So you can decide to turn anyone on that you want to turn on. You can go to premium and discount. This is on 1 minute time frame. So when I go to 1 minute time frame, you can see it premium and discounts. Now if you click it again, this is 5 minutes. You're seeing M5. You can see it here. You're seeing M5. 15 minutes. You go to 15 minutes time frame. You see it clear there bold. And 30 minutes. So, but I would suggest you put it at current. When you put it at current, any time frame you go to, it adjusts it automatically. This 30 minutes time frame, H1 time frame, H4 time frame. You can see daily time frame, weekly time frame. It adjusts it according to the time frame that you go to. So that's why it's best to put it at current. Now this is power of 3 also. This power of 3. This is power of 3 in M1. I would suggest to put it at current also. So okay, power of 3 doesn't have a current. So anywhere you want to check it from, you can check it from. Now the power of 3 is on the recent candle. You understand? So it's best to put this at daily. Best to put this at daily if you are intraday trader. Put it at daily. You can see the power of 3. You can see how it's working already. So you can actually on this put it at daily. Now let's go to OB. When you put OB, you can see that on 5 minutes time frame, it has shown you all the OB that it has reacted to. Look at this sweet signal that it gave here. Look at this OB. Okay, let me put a market structure shift. Let me put this at current and put it at current. Now you can see this. You can see this change of character. Now look at the OB that caused the change of character. This OB, yeah, this signal now has highlighted it for you. Now all you need to do is just set your sell stop loss, your sell limit or whatever, or wait for the market to come here. Then you enter. You put your stop loss here. You put your stop loss here. You enter here, or you can even put your stop loss above here, but because of spread I will advise you put it here. You can see break of structure. You can see BOS is showing you already. You understand? Lower low, lower high, lower high. Can you see how this market dropped? So if you had been on this software and this is a good signal for you. If you go to 15 minutes also, you can see it here. You can see it here. So you don't even need to you don't need to be the one doing the, drawing the lines and all that. It automatically does it for you. Now let's do OB plus. I don't like to do OB plus because it's showing other blocks that have been violated. So I just like to keep it simple, keep it at OB. So it will be showing you the recent other blocks that have not been violated that price can actually still react to. Now you can still take this. Let me take this premium and discount out. You can still take this sell trade. You can still take this sell trade using this OB. You can still take this sell trade using this OB. When price gets here, you can put your sell limit, put your SL here. When price comes here, it will sell. That's how it works. Now let's go to OBPOI. Now this is 1 minute. Let me put it at current and let's see how it works. Okay, this one doesn't have a current. Now let's do 15 minutes. Now this is 15 minutes. It's already giving you what you want. Now this is 30 minutes. If you go to 30 minutes now, you see. Are you seeing it here? This one now that is here is the one that you saw in 15 minutes. Sorry. Now come to 15 minutes. Can you see it? This is it here. This is it here. So I don't like to on it though. For me specifically, I don't like to on it, but this is it here. If you go to 30 minutes, you see it. Are you seeing it? Now when you go to 15 minutes, you see it here. So you can on it for your higher time frame OB. Then you go to lower time frame and use your normal OB here. Now you can on FVG. You can on FVG. You can on FVG plus. Now let's go to lower time frame. You can see all these are FVGs. Let me off this OBPOI. Okay, good. Now this is FVG plus, but let's just do FVG. You can see these lines here are FVG. These lines here are FVG. This is FVG. This is FVG. This is FVG. This is FVG. So you can see price can react at these FVGs and give you an entry. You can see them. Any time frame you go to, you see them. Every time frame you go to, you see them. Every time frame you go to, you see them. This is an FVG. Do you get? So this is something that I feel this is an FVG. This is something I feel every ICT SMC trader should have. This software will actually help you in your analysis and in your entries and what have you. Now FVG POI, let's go to 1 minute. Can you see them? Because it's in M1. This is M5. Let's go to M5. Can you see it? Can you see them? Can you see them? All these are FVGs. So like that, 15 minutes. When you go to 15 minutes, you also see them. Can you see them? Can you see them? So that's for FVG. Any time frame you go to, you see them. So you can decide to on whichever one you want to on according to your analysis. Understand? This is volume imbalance. You can on it. Check. You also see them. This line here is volume imbalance. This line here is volume imbalance. So you're sure that when market gets back here, it can actually still drop. Now let's go to have this. Let's go to gap off. This is for gaps. Go to other time frame. You see this equal highs and equal lows. Equal highs and equal lows. Now if you have an equal high here, it will highlight it. But I'm not seeing any equal high here. That's why nothing is being highlighted. Can you see this signal here? Can you see the signal here? So this is something that is actually very, very good for every trader. So let's go to liquidity. Now you're seeing Asian section high, London section high. You can see London section high, New York section high, Asian section low, London section low, New York section low. You go to 15 minutes and you see it clearly. Let's offer. Let's take this power of 3 off. Okay, good. Now you can see. Let me take this off. Good. Let me take this off also. Okay, good. So you can see this is previous this was 2 days London section and US section high. Now you can see previous day high, PDA. You can see previous day low, London section high of yesterday. London and New York section low, they both had the same low. Now you can see price coming to take previous low. Price is coming to take previous low. You can see it here. So that's why I said this 15 minutes let's put this as current. Let's put the OB back. Good. This 15 minutes OB can actually work for you if you are about to take this trade, because now you know that they're supposed to come take London and section and yesterday's low. Once they take it, you can take a trade back up. That's for liquidity chart. You can say liquidity side. If you want to put it at the side, you can put it at the side. You can see previous week close, weekly open, previous day high. You can see them. They are all highlighted here. Everything you need is highlighted here. Now I see daily and weekly open. I think I've done this in the beginning of the video, but let me just do this again. New York daily open. You can see New York daily open. Then you can see the current daily open. Current daily open. You can do New York day start. New York day start also. You can still do that. For me, I just like to do liquidity chart. Now section, I've talked about section, London section, New York section, and all that. I've talked about it, and that's so. This is what the software does for you. It basically shows you everything you need as an ICT or MC or SMC trader. I specifically took a trade on gold before the news. You can see my before the what's it called, before NFP. I took a trade here that sold then before it went up, and you can see another trade here. Even this trade, I also took it at this point. It gave me an OB at this point here. I don't know if you guys can see at this point here, it gave me an entry, and I took the entry and it sold. So this is it for all the softwares. I believe you will understand with this short video what the software can actually help you do. So if you're interested, after watching this, you let me know and we'll talk about the price. So have a good day and thank you.